So I got these questions all the time. That is, hey Nick, what product is working right now? What products should I choose? What product are you promoting? Now, guess what? There are so many ways you can do to make money from affiliate marketing, and product selection is actually easy. So in this video, I want to share with you 4 criteria I'm using to choose the product. The first one is the most important one. If that is a great product, you say, yeah, everyone knows that. No, because there are so many high converting products, it sucks, right? So if you go to ClickBank, there's so many products that have really high gravity, but the quality is really low. All they have is a high converting sales ladder. So they can trick people to buy the product, but they cannot build a long-term business. So if you are building a long-term relationship with your audience, you cannot afford to sell any crappy product. You only want to sell high quality products. So the best way you can do is you really want to buy into the product first. Then you want to check the quality, right? So you want to make sure the quality is great before selling them to your list. Then another one is if they are offering some amazing offer. For example, if they're offering some guarantees, if they have some high value bonuses, because you want your audience to have a really great experience enjoying this product. So that's the reason why you want to make sure that present them a risk-free high value offer. Then also, this one is so big. If your buyers can get result from the product, even though they're newbie, right? So sometimes they buy into that and say, oh yeah, but I don't get result, even though I know the content is great, but I don't know. Yeah, so the best way for you to sell them the next thing is the first time you get them result. You feel like you make them feel, wow, I buy this cheap product and I get so much value. Then they will buy from you the next time. So it's always about the long-term game, right? And then this one is the less important one, is a high converting process, right? So you say, yeah, why is this the less important? Yeah, the process is important only if you don't know how to create that. So one of my mentor, Jason Fladden, he wins so much affiliate contest, and all he did was he rewrite all the sales copy, he recreate all the webinar, he bundled his amazing bonus to the package. So he basically recreate anything for the offer because he know the product is great. So he can fix that by creating a high converting funnel, by creating a high converting process. But if you don't have a high quality offer, then even though they provide you some webinar that converts really well, you can't build a long-term relationship because the product is bad, right? So the most important criteria is the quality of the product and if they can help your audience solve their problem. The less important one is the process. If the webinar is a sales page, because you can fix that by just making a new one. But you may say, hey Nick, but I don't know how to write a copy. Now, under this video, I will share with you some resources that you can use to learn how to write copy or how to generate high converting copy for your business. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.